X here, and welcome to another Dooney and Bourke unboxing, guys. Now, your girl picked up another Dooney bag. This bag is from QVC. So if you guys want to see the bag that I picked up, then please make sure to stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new or if you're a returning viewer and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to you. And to all of my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another unboxing. Your girl truly appreciates all of your love and support. So as you guys saw from the video, I am doing a Dooney and Bourke unboxing. This Dooney and Bourke bag is from QVC. Now, I did mention in a previous video that I wanted to check out the Dooney and Bourke Lucca collection, and I was able to not only check out the Lucca collection, I was able to pick it up in one of my favorite silhouettes and also a color that I've been wanting from Dooney and Bourke for a really long time, guys. So let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. Alright guys, so as you can see, I picked up a drawstring bag from Dooney and Bourke from QVC. And this is, they're calling this the large drawstring. And it is in the Lucca pebble leather. And the color is none other than a beautiful Kelly green, y'all. This color is so beautiful and bright and vibrant, and I see why everybody loves Dooney and Bourke Kelly green, y'all. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is another color from Dooney and Bourke that I have been wanting to add to my collection for a really long time, and I'm so glad that I was able to pick it up in this beautiful drawstring bag. Now, this is the Dooney and Bourke large drawstring, and this bag is pretty big. I'm probably going to pull out one of my Tashes a little bit towards the end of the video to do like a quick comparison to see size wise if they're about the same or if this is larger than the Tasha. I will also throw up on the screen the measurements for this bag as well too. Okay, so this is the tag just so that you guys can see it. All right, so let's get into it, y'all. All right, so of course it does come with the drawstring here. All the hardware on the bag is in gold. It does come with the gold Dooney and Bourke plate here on the front. And then on the bottom, it doesn't have any feet, no outside pockets. Okay. It does have this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shoulder strap right here. Absolutely love it. It is adjustable, and I believe this one is adjustable and removable as well too, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so you can take it off if you need to. I love when they put a nice wide shoulder strap on the bag, because it definitely allows for better comfort on the shoulder. So I absolutely love that. This does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjustments on either side. And once again, with those beautiful O-rings, I love when Dooney put the O-rings like this on their bags. It is just absolutely gorgeous, y'all. So pretty. All right. Now let's go ahead and take a quick peek in the interior. Ah, y'all. Okay. Y'all, I got a little excited because the lining in the inside is not the red lining. Now, don't get your girl wrong. I do love the red interior, but the interior that I'm going to show you guys in this one is my favorite from Dooney and Bourke. So it does come with a dust bag. But do y'all see the lining in there? I love this off-white lining in the inside. It's what their cotton linen blend, I think. But I love this, y'all. I wish this was in more of Dooney and Bourke's bags. Like, this is like my favorite lining for them. Now, this bag in the interior does come with a back slip pocket that is trimmed in that Lucca leather. And instead of the leather patch, this has like the fabric patch right here, stamped with the Dooney and Bourke. And then on the front side, you do get a large slip pocket that is trimmed in that Lucca leather as well too. And then you do get the key leash that's down there at the bottom as well too, in the interior of the bag. So absolutely gorgeous. This Lucca leather smells so good, but not only that, y'all, it is buttery soft. Like, I can't stop touching it. It's so soft. Y'all, look how this bag just puddled. I love it. It is so soft, y'all. Like, it doesn't even need to be broken in. It's just super soft already. And the pebbling on here isn't as big as it is on like my other actual pebbled leather. And I guess that's like what the Lucca collection, I guess, is all about. The pebbling on it is a lot smaller, but I love the way this feels, and I love the stitching on this bag as well too. Absolutely gorgeous. Fits on past the shoulder test with the elbow, and fits on the shoulder nicely. Definitely passes the elbow test. Okay, so let me grab one of my Tashas, because I was looking at the other drawstring that I have in my Saffiano drawstring. I was looking at that one too. So let's look at this. Are these side by side? Hold on, y'all. Let me get it together. All right. So that's what they look like on the side. This is the Tasha. This is the large Lucca. Let's see it from the bottom. And just be mindful, the Lucca is not stuffed, whereas the Tasha is. So that's what it looks like on the bottom. Okay. And then side by side. This will help if I turn the Tasha around the right way, huh? Alright. See what I say? This Lucca is so buttery soft, it's like puddling when I try to hold it from the bottom. Alright. So that is what they look like side by side. So I don't know. Once I throw the measurements up on the screen, it's looking like the Tasha and the Lucca are probably the same size, guys. But absolutely gorgeous. I love, love, love Dooney and Bourke drawstring bags. They're my second favorite when it comes to silhouettes from Dooney and Bourke. And I am super excited to have a Lucca drawstring in my collection, guys. I think now that I have gotten my hands on this particular drawstring, your girl might have to end up picking up another bag from the Lucca collection, because I'm really digging this bag right now. I love the feel of this Lucca leather as well. It is super soft. If you don't have a Lucca pebbled leather bag in your collection, definitely consider getting one, because when I tell you guys this bag is buttery soft, it is buttery soft, guys. Like, look how well this bag just puddles. it just puddles. Even the bottom puddles. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. They feel like they have something at the bottom, but it's not like solid to make it structured. So it kind of moves with the bag. It bends and moves with the bag. So I'm not sure what they have reinforced at the bottom, but I just love how soft this bag is, y'all. And of course, the color is absolutely gorgeous. Super excited to finally have a Kelly green bag in my collection. Plus, it's in one of my favorite silhouettes, so we can't beat that at all, y'all. All right, guys, so this is my beautiful Dooney and Bourke large drawstring from the Lucca collection in the color Kelly green. Let me know down below, guys, if you have anything from the Lucca collection. Let me know down below what bag that you have from the Lucca collection, or if you plan on picking up anything while Dooney and Bourke is having all of their sales going on, if you plan on picking up anything from the Lucca collection. All right, guys, so if you stuck with me this far, please make sure to go ahead and like and share this video. Also subscribe if you're not already, because it is absolutely free to you guys. It definitely helps me out. Let me know that you guys enjoy my content. And also make sure to click that bell, guys. That way you're always notified every time I upload new content. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.